The top 10 design innovations that give builders and developers an edge. Number 1. Reduced infrastructure. Public and private infrastructure can be significantly reduced without density loss or altering regulatory minimums. A Preferbia method called coving demonstrates a 25% reduction in street and utility main lengths compared to conventional suburban subdividing. Compared to the new urbanism, this reduction can exceed 50%. Instead of gifting the excess right-of-way to the city, that land is now distributed back into lots and private ownership, increasing the average lot size. This revolutionary form of geometric modeling, made possible by our advanced technology, includes coving and a single-family detached bay home concept, but can also be applied to all forms of development, residential and commercial. Number 2. Redistribution of space. The reallocation of space, from paved surface area to green space, is then used to create neighborhoods that are more organic in form. Streets become a park-like setting, with meandering setbacks inviting a stroll. The sense of scale change increases the perception of space. We can now increase density without feeling more dense, the best of both worlds. Number 3. More viewsheds. The angled relationship of coved lots, the staggering of bay homes with floor plans that coordinate window view placement, enhances the human experience with a greater sense of space. For builders that embrace architectural shaping, coordinating floor plans with lot shapes, homes can be designed more efficiently, increasing living space while eliminating waste. This enables higher density single-family homes to have a better quality of life by coordinating interior and exterior views. Number 4. Increased pedestrian connectivity. To assure convenient and safer connectivity, the main trail system is planned before streets, forming more desirable walking paths, dictated by topography and destination locations. Sidewalks connect to the main trails. When needed, these trails can double as emergency vehicle routes. Number 5. Increased vehicular connectivity. Most suburban neighborhoods are a medley of disconnected streets that create a maze-like pattern that gets attacked by new urban planners, who tend toward traditional grid patterns. The grid creates an excess of four-way intersections that destroy traffic flow. Both systems are not ideal. A newer and more efficient pattern is now used that, while driving within a neighborhood, increases traffic flow while reducing travel time and fuel consumption. This newer pattern is also applied to large-scale master planning. It preserves a main street flow and reduces intersections while enhancing neighborhood uniqueness. Number 6. Increased safety. Fewer intersections and stop-start cycles, with homes set along park-like streetscapes and inviting walks, can have a safety advantage. By placing meandering walks in public access easements, pedestrian crossings can be set away from the intersection, allowing drivers to potentially see pedestrians better at crossings. Smoother flow through the neighborhoods, combined with streetscapes in motion, can have a traffic calming effect that naturally reduces speed. Traffic and pedestrian diffusers are often used in higher volume areas to add both neighborhood character and safer crossings. Number 7. Value-adding land use transitions. The typical suburban transitional zoning places higher density and the lowest priced housing at entrances of neighborhoods, or behind strip mall loading docks. As one enters these larger communities, the housing becomes less dense and higher end. Since the 1950s, this has been the illogical norm. It devalues the impression of the city as a whole by placing the highest density in the worst, most visible locations. Only higher income residents get premium locations. By reversing the conventional transition pattern, the development in city is showcased better. A greater number of residents, independent of their income level, can enjoy better locations. The overall feel of density plummets, yet the actual density remains the same. Number 8. Reducing car clutter. Let's face it, parked cars are a landscape feature. No matter how much is spent on the architecture and landscaping budget, parked cars can overwhelm the aesthetic appeal, especially with residents at lower income points. Coving's open and park-like streetscapes reduce the visual impact, and the latest bay home design's side yard parking areas eliminate the problem. New forms of townhomes can also soften the visual impacts. These innovative patterns that redistribute space have a side benefit of more porch visuals and less Porsche visuals. Number 9. More attainable homes. Housing affordability is a major issue, yet the press doesn't realize yet that there are already methods that can help solve these problems. None of these new methods increase costs compared to past geometry models, and most have proven to reduce construction costs in both street and earthwork. Today, with expensive materials and skyrocketing labor costs, per lot costs are often reduced by more than $10,000. Number 10. Embraced by the market. Neighborhoods that look and feel less dense, that eliminate the monotony found in competing development, are more desirable to buyers and renters. Home builders taking advantage of architectural shaping will have an even greater advantage over nearby competition. In the past half-century, technology has improved consumer products, except in the area of neighborhood quality of life, which seems to decline while in the pursuit of cookie-cutter higher density. Over the past 3 decades, we've designed more than 1,600 neighborhoods using these models that have been embraced by the city councils in the US and 19 additional countries.